It's Brooklyn Cuzzo reporting live in Bensonhurst, Brooklyn. As you can see behind me, the storm keeps building and it's growing. And let me tell you something, you're better off staying home where you're safe and sound. As you can see behind me, people have their umbrellas out. People are struggling walking down the street. But not for nothing, I had to put the bags on my scapadels. Look at them. All right, it's a Sprint bag, so what? It's keeping the scapadels dry. And it's an emotional roller coaster. I mean, why does Mother Nature do this to us? The second day of spring and we're covered in snow. Oh my God, I can't take it. What did we do to you? I don't understand. Leave us alone. We want the nice weather. Take care, brush your hair, make sure you change your underwear. Back to you, Stacy. Stacy! Stacy!